What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having an absolutely blessed day today. So if this is your first time to the channel, guys, please check out the other content, and if it's content that you guys like, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber and viewer, guys, hey, I appreciate y'all so much. So just kind of want to do a quick follow-up on the cruise control install and the tune on the bike. So as you can tell right now, cruise control is working. It's activated by the little green light up there and works just like it's supposed to. You can speed up with it, you can slow down with it, turn it off, you can turn it back on, you can reset it. So as y'all can see, it works just like it's supposed to. So this is a factory part. As you can tell, colors and all match up almost 100% identical. There is a slight shade difference, but nothing, unless you're looking for it, you'd never know it. So anyway, that works good. I want to talk to you guys about the tune for a minute. So I did install a factory Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle tune. It was a download right to the bike. I do want to say, I do know there are better tunes out there. I do know there's a lot of other things that you can do as far as tune goes, dyno tune, all the Power Vision, the Vance & Hines fuel pack type things. So I know you guys can do all that stuff, and there are probably better tunes out there. I done this right here because I'm still working to understand a few little quirks about the lifetime warranty that I have on the powertrain system on the bike, to make sure that I don't void that. If I want to build me a total blown horsepower bike and not worry about the warranty, I'll do it on a different bike, or I'll wait till this one gets older. So just want to say that. But going back to the tune, so I will tell you a couple of things that I have noticed with this tune so far. So when we get up here to the stop sign here in just a few minutes, you'll see that when I'm sitting there at an idle, this thing is the RPMs are barely moving. And if you go back and check out some of my last videos, if y'all will kind of pay attention to when I come up to a stop sign or a red light or something, you can see the RPMs jumping to 250 RPMs, maybe 300 RPMs at time. You can just see my gauge going from like 800 or 900 all the way up to 1,000, 1,100. So it's just flickering in that range. That has calmed way down. Okay. So that has calmed way down. Matter of fact, you can look at it right there and see it's moving a little bit, as would be expected, but it's not hardly moving any at all. So so now it's probably moving 50 RPM. So I will say that has helped out the bike tremendously from a idling standpoint. Throttle response, so I will tell you, I don't know if I actually got any more horsepower or torque out of the tune. I might have got a couple here and there, I don't know. I'm gonna open my visor up, guys. Hope it doesn't affect the audio too much. But what it does is I have a lot more throttle response now. So anyway, guys, if I do know that, ooh, there's almost an accident right there. People not paying attention. Alright guys, so we're back to it at the moment, but so back to the tune. So as far as the tune goes, the tune, I don't really think it gave me any more horsepower or torque. If it did, it was only a little bit, but I'm not a speed demon anyhow. I like to accelerate fast and get there and feel it at the low end on the torque, but I'm not a what you would call a person that likes to run up into the above the 3-digit marks, so to speak. I did that in the past when I used to ride sport bikes, but I'm not into that anymore. I like to cruise. I like to get out and have a little bit of fun, and this bike is just kind of a little bit of a fun bike to me. So anyway, I'll back to it. So as far as the tune goes, it helped the idle, as y'all could see there just a minute ago. The idle's not jumping around like it was. It's a lot more. I get a little less of the decel pop. Still get a little bit, but nothing bad. So I do still get a little bit of that. But really, this bike is got a stage 1 on it now, per Harley. I am working with them to try to understand my extended or my lifetime warranty, just for the simple fact that I've got a lifetime warranty on the bike, and I would just like to be able to keep that if I can. Just because it's all powertrain, and whether I need it or not, I know some people are just, man, don't worry about that warranty. Your bike will be all right. You're probably 100% correct, guys. But I talked with them about putting a Power Vision tune, running it on the dyno, and running a S&S 475 cam. And one thing that I believe we're going to be able to do is with my lifetime warranty, even though my VIN number may be flagged, it would still be one of those things that even if I have the Harley shop or the Harley Davidson dealer, my local Harley Davidson dealer, do the work, I believe I'm being told, and I'm going to try to do a little bit more questions on it, is that if I did do something and I let them do the work, that the lifetime powertrain warranty would still be in effect. If something happened, the cam or something failed, I bought it through them, it would pay for back the price of a stock cam. But if I would have to pay a difference if I used the S&S cam. So hopefully we'll be able to resolve that soon, and then I'll be able to make up my mind what I want to do. I'll be honest with you, I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not, but we're gonna find out if it's something that I might want to do. So anyway, as far as the tune goes, I think it leveled out the bike. I think that it helped the bike with throttle response. I believe it helped the air-fuel ratio. Of course, that's what you're paying for. But again, I'm getting less diesel pop. I'm getting less of the RPM jumping at idle. So to me, I think it was a good investment.
So what I was saying right here, guys, was I do think that was a good investment for doing that, just for my peace of mind. So I'm just going to be doing a little bit of riding from here on out. I'm going to be putting some music did put the Insta360 that I bought. I do got it on the back of the bike. You've already seen a little clip or two by now on that, and I'm going to try to show you all a little bit more what that looks like. But if y'all would, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, guys, I appreciate the support, and I hope everyone has a blessed day and hope you enjoyed the rest of the video.